guys, what's up, welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Carsacardeen. If you didn't know, now you know, but welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about mi casa to your casa. I'm going to be sharing 2 ways to style your console. So I have my console behind me. Now you can place your console in your entryway, under your television, on the side, wherever you want to place your console. It's your home, do your thing. But for me, I place my console behind the couch. So this is the couch. It's yellow, it's bold, it's bright, it's everything, it's amazing. And the console is sleek, slender, and more on the modern side. So I'm going to be styling up. So let's begin. Console is about 6 feet long and about 1.5 feet deep. So it's not too deep, but I love it because it's narrow and it's long. So you have a lot of room to play with. But the thing that I love about it is the fact that it's more square. So you have some console that's more in a moon shape or a little bit more rounded, but this one is very square. So I have a blank wall behind me. I'm going to be doing a video on a gallery wall. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see a video like that. But there's nothing on the wall, so my wall is blank. So when you have a blank wall, you have a lot of space to work with. So you could use tall pieces, maybe a vase, maybe a picture, and you can go in layers. So for me, I like to start in the corner. It just works better for me. Listen, I'm no designer, I didn't go to design school, but if you are getting dressed and you're putting stuff together, and you're putting your clothes on and you're getting the vibe and you're just trying to look good, it's all about, it's design. So I'm going to be starting at this corner. So guys, I'm going to be starting with this canvas. So this canvas is big, and remember, I have nothing on the wall, so it is perfect. And I'm going to be starting on this side. So what I like to do is just place the canvas at the corner, and then I'm going to go to the other corner and then work my way back into the middle just to create that vignette. So I'm going to be having like 3 sections. So this is one section, another section, and another section, and then we can play around with any other empty space that we have in between the sections. So I love books, and especially really good coffee table books. And I picked up these books, and I love black books. So for this first look, it's gonna be more black and white, and then the other look is gonna be a little bit more spiced up with a little bit more color. So I have my first vignette. We're gonna go with the second vignette. So I'm gonna place these books in the second corner, and you want to layer. Because I have the space and I have the height, I could definitely layer it up. So we're going to layer it. So I feel like with books, you can add as many books as you want, but you don't want to go too overboard. So for me, because this console has a ledge, I want to go a little bit above the ledge instead of under the ledge. If your console doesn't have a ledge, you can place 3 books and then work your way up, and then add a vase or a candle or whatever it is that you want to play up on top of your coffee table books. That'll be perfect. But like I said, with my ledge, I just want to go a little bit higher. So I place the books just a little bit higher. So now we're moving into my third vignette. So I have one here, and this is going to be my third vignette. Because remember, like I said, I start from the corners. So I have these small little nest candles. They are so cute. They come in a black box. So like I said before, the first look is going to be all about black. So I'm going to be placing this right here. And as you can see, all the colors are tying in with the books, the canvas, and the candle. And now I have this vase. And normally I would place the vase at the corner, but I feel like the vase is going to look good against the canvas. So let's place the vase here. And I feel like that just breaks it up a little bit and add a little bit of depth. So when I look at this, I feel like it looks good, but I feel like I could definitely add a little bit more depth. I don't want it to be too crowded and overpowering, but I still want it to be cute and sexy. So I have my 3 vignettes, and now I can definitely play around and maybe add a few little small pieces, maybe a candle, or just a small piece just to tie everything in together. So I have this tray and I have this beautiful scented candle from one of my favorite brand, Diptyque, and I have mimosa, bayes, and eucalyptus, and I feel like this right here is definitely going to break that up a little bit and just add a little bit of depth. And then I have another candle that I'm going to add on top of the book just to give it a little bit of height, just to tie everything in. And this is look 1. So don't go nowhere. We're getting into look 2 now. Guys, are you still with me? This is the second look and we're going to get right into it. So we're going more with the neutral tone. I have this wooden box and it's more of the neutral tone. I'm going to be placing that in the middle, and then I'm going to be stacking and playing around. I have this watering can and I'm going to be placing right on top of that wooden box because I like to play around with shapes. I'm not afraid to add squares and circles and anything round and not too round. For me, I just like it all. So we're going to place this on top just to give it a little bit of depth. And I like the way that looks so far. I like the wooden with the gold tone, even though the legs of the console is silver. I like gold and silver. I feel like you could definitely mix and match. Okay guys, so I have this piece that I picked up from Ross. It's so cute. It's more like a fake stone and wood. So since we're going for the more neutral earthy tone, I feel like this will be perfect. And this is going to be in the other vignette, like so. And I feel like that looks good already. I'm also going to be placing a vase, and I have this with some pampas. And we're placing on the opposite side. I don't have like a white stone vase. I feel like a white stone vase would have looked really good on top of this console, but I feel like the black ties in with the leg of the black on that piece over there and the black on the couch, so it's perfectly fine. So now that I have my 3 vignettes, I feel like I can go ahead and just add some more texture in just to tie everything in together. So I'm just going to be adding some layering. So I have this little black thing that came from out of a perfume box. Like, don't be afraid to just, take stuff like, when you buy a cologne and it comes with a little foam on the inside. If it's a color that you love, you could definitely keep it and add it as a stackable piece. So I have these 2 black and gold candles. I'm just going to be placing those on top of this just to give it a little bit of height. And with this vase, it was a 3-piece. So I'm going to be doing some layering with that. So I'm just going to add this one here, and then this one here, and this one has a thing, so I'm just going to be, turning it around like that just to give it a little bit of edge, because we want to have a little bit of edge. And I feel like this looks good so far. Absolutely love, love, love the way this turns out. The combination of the tones, the colors, the textures. I hope you guys love it as much as I love it. And I hope you guys find a little bit of inspiration in this mini console makeover. Let's talk about what I did. I combined 3 different shapes of vase together, and I add a pampas green. You could add artificial flowers, you could add real flower just to give it a little bit of texture and a little bit of height. You can also combine wood and gold or silver. Don't be afraid to just play up with textures and just make it your own. Your home is your home, and I just love the way it turned out, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you do, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and guess what, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya later.